Hello everyone, welcome to Python Full Stack course. In this training video, I will talk about the enum. Enum is a class in a Python for creating enumeration, which are set of symbolic names bound to unique and the constant values. We can work with the indices using the enum. We can work with the list like a enum. Now this we will see with the help of example. Now let us start with the example. So enum is a class in a Python. So first I import from enum, import set enum. I'll create a class month with parameter enum and assign a certain value for a month. Let's say January is equal to 1, February is equal to 2, March is equal to 3, April is equal to 4. Now we can print this value from the enum. Let's say print, I want to let's say print month in the square bracket. Let's say I want to print the value of month March, so I pass the parameter March and just I compile this complete code. Either I press F5 or just use the run command so that the output is month March is going to be print. If I want to print the first index value, then we can use let's say month 1 so that the first month is going to be print, that is Jan. The next thing we can compare the enum parameters. If let's say month dot January is equal to month dot February. Now I'll compare. If it is equal, I just print the value is equal, else I just write print value is not equal. Then I just compile this code to make the comparison and the value is not equal because the value of month January is 1 and value of month February is 2. So it is not equal. So that we can compare the enum value. As good as the enum are also used as an iterator. We can iterate the enum. So we'll take an example one more. Let's say class is color and enum let's say red is equal to 2, blue is equal to 4 and green is equal to 6 of some random numbers, and I can iterate this value just by using C for C in color, and I just print the values get iterated, it will be print the output. Now you will see that output is red is 2, blue is 4 and green is 6. So in this way we can operate the enum like a iterator, or we can enumerate the value which is inside the enum. I hope you like the content or I saved your time. Please support by sharing the video with your friends. If you are not subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe and press the notification bell icon to get the latest information. Thanks for watching this video.